based on area of a triangle. Look at this very simple question. The question is to find area of a triangle whose vertices are as follows. Let us name those 3 points as A, B and C. Point A is 2, 3, point B is -1, 0 and point C is 2, -4. Let us find the area of this triangle by applying the formula. I hope you all remember the formula. It is half into bracket x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 and x3 y1 minus y2. For this formula, point A is x1 y1, point B is x2 y2 and point C is x3 y3. Let us solve it. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into, now be careful, first term is x1 into bracket y2 minus y3. How much is x1? It is 2 into bracket y2 minus y3 will be 0 minus of minus 4. Look at the first term. Yes. Second term similarly, x2 is minus 1. Bracket y3 minus y1, it is minus 4 minus 3. Third term x3, how much is x3? It is 2 and bracket is y1 minus y2, which is 3 minus 0. We have done the substitution. Now let us solve it further. What do we get next step as? Half into minus of minus 4 will be plus 4 and 2 into 4 will be 8. Look at that. 2 into 4. Second bracket will be minus 1 into minus 7. Last bracket will be 2 into bracket 3. Next step. 2 into 4 first product will be 8. Second product will be 7 and the third product will be 6. So finally what do we get? Half into 8 plus 7 plus 6. Now 8 plus 7 plus 6 is nothing but it is 21 and half into 21 is 10.5. Therefore area of triangle ABC we calculated, we got the answer 10.5 square units. Was that a simple sum? Yes. Let us proceed further. In the next sum you will find one change. Now look at that change. The question is to find the value of k if the points are collinear. I'll explain you the meaning of that later on. Let us first continue. There are 3 points given to us. First point we name it as A, 7, minus 2. Second is B, 5, 1 and third is point C, it is 3, K. According to these 3 points, we have got a triangle ABC. Let us find out the area of triangle ABC. So according to the formula, let's see what will happen. Area of triangle ABC requires 3 coordinates. Point A is x1, y1, point B is x2, y2 and point C is x3, y3. So we got all 3 coordinates of A, B and C. What else was given in the sum? The 3 points are collinear. Now this is the new concept. 3 points are collinear. Now tell me one thing. If 3 points are collinear, A, B and C, they lie in a straight line. And if the points are collinear, if they lie on a straight line, will there be a triangle formed? No. Because for a triangle, we need 3 non-collinear points. And in this sum, the points are collinear, so the triangle is not to be formed at all. In other words, such a triangle area will be considered as 0. Because the 3 points are collinear, area of the triangle formed will be 0. Let us continue with area of formula. That is half into bracket x1. How much is x1? 7. Continue. y2 minus y3. It should be 1 minus k. Second product will be x2. How much is x2? It is 5 into bracket y3 minus y1. That is k minus of minus 2. That is k plus 2. Third bracket is x3. That is 3 into bracket y1 minus y2. It should be minus 2 minus 1. We substituted all the values. Now children, on the left hand side area we can write 0 because we have already discussed it. On the right hand side, let us open the brackets. Half, look at the first term. 7 minus 7k. Second, 5k plus 10. Third, minus 6 minus 3. 0 is equal to, inside the bracket, look at the like terms, minus 7k and plus 5k will give you minus 2k. And when you take all the numbers together, that is 7 plus 10, 17. Minus 6 and minus 3 is how much? Minus 9. 17 minus 9 is nothing but 8. So what is the equation? 0 is equal to half into bracket minus 2x plus 8. Cross multiply, 2 into 0 will be 0. Therefore, we are left with minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 0. Shift one term on the other side. Therefore, minus 2k is equal to minus 8. K is equal to 4. That's the answer for the sum. K is equal to 4. Just remember, if 3 points are collinear, area of the triangle formed will be 0.